Fiona, the Young Adult Librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy water candle. You don't need any wax, just some water, oil, a wick. It's really very simple to make, and it's definitely a pretty decoration. So let's get started. For today's craft, you're going to need a glass candle holder, some cooking oil, some glass gemstones, a scissors, a marker, a birthday candle, and then a piece of plastic from a food container or something like that. I'm going to be using this to cut a circle of plastic that will fit inside of here. So that's how you know how much plastic you need. So first what I want to do is cut out the piece of plastic I need. So I'm going to trace the outside of the glass. Marker. Cut it out. And you want to make sure it can fit inside. See, that's a little too big, so I'm just going to need to trim it down a little bit. So now we want to take our birthday candle, and what we're going to do is we're going to very gently break the candle. And then use something like a butter knife. And what you want to do, like I said, you want to be gentle, but what we want to do is we want to get the wick out. The reason we're using the birthday candle is because they're very inexpensive, and you could just buy wicks at a craft store, but actually birthday candle wicks tend to last a bit longer than even those wicks. So you're just going to work your way around, pulling the wax off the wick. So now you want to take your cooking oil, and you just want to put a little bit of it in a little container or cup. You're going to put your birthday candle wick in there. Just let it soak for a few minutes in the oil. Now you want to take your gemstones in your container, and you're just going to put them on the bottom. Now you want to take some water, and you want to fill this up about 3/4 of the way with water, maybe a little bit less. So now you want to take that piece of plastic you had before, and you just want to put a small hole in the middle, because that's what we're going to put our wick through. And then we're going to take some oil, and you're going to put a layer on top, and you'll see it separating like so. And we're going to push the plastic in, put our wick there. Here we are. I just have to straighten my wick out a little bit. It was kind of falling over, so you just have to be mindful that the hole is relatively small that you make. And then there you have your water candle. It's really pretty, and it's really easy to make. It costs me about $3 for everything at the dollar store. So here you can see my finished water candle, and it really is just water and oil, and the separation between the two is what keeps the candle lit. And so all you really need is some basic elements, and you can always have your own candle. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crafts.